So over the past trading week, I lost two trades in a row. Those trades didn't make it to the channel, but I think I should show you so you can see and you can also learn from these trades as well. These were the trades I took. I think the first one was on Euro GBP. Okay, the two trades were on Euro GBP. The first one was on the 19th of September. The second one was on the 20th of September. You see, I lost two trades in a row, 2 days consecutively. So in this video, I'm going to show you the reason why I lost this trade. Currently, the market is closed, so I'm going to still go ahead to open the market so that we can analyze and can also understand the reason why I lost this trade Euro GBP. Okay, now the market is currently closed right now, and all we do is we will try to find out the time that I took the trade so that we can trace to see. The first trade was on the 19th of September, and I took this trade. Okay, this was the time I took the trade, 19th of September. Okay, let's try to locate it. Okay, this was a trade. This was a trade I took on the 19th of September. I think this very trade, because the time says 20:37. So you can see, this is the exact time on this candle. I took this trade 20:31, and it closed here 20:37. So you can see that let me explain why I took this trade. The reason I took this trade was quite simple, but this is why you should understand that you are not going to win all your trades, no matter how sure your strategy is, no matter how smooth your strategy is. You still gonna have losing trades. Now, I want you to pay attention to this chart. You can see that this was a downtrend, no doubt, right? This was a downtrend because we're having, this is a high, this is a low, this is a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher. This is a high, this is a low, the lower high, all these are lower lows, these are lower highs, and the price were still continuously falling. And then this was the current low when I met the price at that time. So you can identify that this was a run and this is a retracement. And I drew this my support trend line outlining this retracement, and my strategy is quite simple. I have to place a trade immediately I have breakout. This is quite a healthy retracement, you see. So I placed my trade on this candle, and the price went in my favor for some time, and on the last candle I lost this trade. So this is all about this trading setup. You need to understand that even if you have a good trading system, you have a good trading strategy, you are still going to lose some trades. So you need to have this at the back of your mind so you don't freak out each time you lose trade. A lot of beginner traders, one of the reasons why they still struggle is because they change system every day. They change system every week, they change systems every month, they change strategies every day, they change strategy every week, and change strategy every month. When I started trading years ago, I was still going through the same thing, you know. Then I was obsessed with trading with indicators, and you see, I will see a video on YouTube that says perfect indicator to win trade, and you know, I'll go ahead, I will learn everything about it, the indicator, the periods, numbers, and everything. You go ahead and you set it up on the screen, and then you use it to place trade, and then you start to trade. And most times on the demo account, you tend to place trade because of less emotions, and you see that most times you are winning some trade, and then you go on the live account and you blow everything off. And when that happens, you lose hope, you lose faith, and you are going to lose trust on that indicator. And then you go ahead and try to look for something else to help you to win trade. So this is the thing: changing, changing, changing. If some people would not trade this strategy, if they have this losing trade, you see, they start to adapt it, especially if it ends up making them blow an account. So this is one thing. You need to believe in your system, you need to believe in your strategy, that no matter how smooth or how sure it is, nothing is to guarantee. I place my trade knowing fully well that I do not know the outcome of the trade. Now, this is one thing that is helping those athletes or sport people, and this is why they are very successful. This is why they can stay calm no matter how the result is playing. They go into a game hoping, believing that they could win, but they still have the other part that says anything is possible. Anything is possible. So in trading, the same thing is still applicable. No matter how your strategy is, you do not know the outcome of these trades. You don't know what is going to happen on this trade. So see, I placed my trade, it ran, and it got reversed from this level for almost no reason. Now this is the cool thing about trading. You see, now the second trade I lost was this very one, the same Euro GBP, and it was on the 20th, and I took this trade 7:19 in the trade closed 7:19 in the morning. So let's try to fish it out so we can also analyze it as well. This was on the 21st, 7. So this was the second trade I took on that the 20th of September. That also was a loss. Now let's analyze this trade. You can see that this is a strong candle that has broken all the way above everything, and I expected that the price should at least cool off for some time, and then you were seeing that I had this retracement, this trend line on this resistance level, but I didn't trade with this trend line. I was focused. I believed that the price should at least cool off for quite a longer time, and then I drew this resistance trend line, and I had it on this previous support level, you see, and I was in hope that if the price could break this trend line, which if it could break this structure on here, the price is supposed to at least fall, because I cannot see any resistance level on any of the zones. Everything was clear, you see, all the zones were clear, and I was expecting that the price should at least fall down to hit maybe somewhere around this previous resistance levels. That was why I placed this 5-minute trade, and you can see that the price reversed almost immediately and it ended up in a loss. Now the reason why I'm showing you all this is because if a lot of beginner traders loses 2 trades in a row, they tend to freak out. They start to change system, and they try to start to place trades that are going to be out of emotions and not logic. Now you can see my trading history that even after these losses, I took another trade on the 20th of September, and I won this trade. The reason why I was able to win this trade was I had to calm down. I have to make sure that I am not doing anything out of emotion. And that was why I was able to see clearly to place this trade and to have won this trade. You see, you won't win on your trade. You can see that these are my previous trades. You can see all of from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trade. I lost 3 trades. You can see even this one here, I lost this one. So 9 trade, I was able to win 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is quite enough. If you can be able to win more trade and be able to like lose few, you are going to be in profit. You know, if you add up all the trades that I've won, this is 500, 1000, 15, 2000, 25, 3000 trades, 3001 over here, and I've just lost I think about 1005, because this was okay. This trade was $100, so I lost this 100. I lost this 600. I lost this 580. So you can see that even from September 9th, okay, let's just say for the whole of September, okay, the whole of September, the first trade was on September 7th or September 2nd. So let's count 1, 2, this is August, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 trades. Out of 14 trades, I lost 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I lost 4 trades out of 14 trades, and I was able to win 10 trades. So this is good, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think 10 trades. I was able to win 10 trades out of 14 trades. So this is pretty much good. If you can have this type of consistency, it is good for you, right? You don't have to focus on winning on your trade. Now, if you lost a trade, try to calm down. Stay off the screen for some time. Try to look for try to find peace any way possible, and then come back fresh to the chart and try to observe and make sure you are not trading out of emotion. You are not coming back with revenge to try to regain or to try to win back the money you just lost. You are coming back to the chart to place trade, and even if you've lost 5 trades in a row, it's not a guarantee that you are going to win your 6th trade. Now, if you have won 10 trades in a row, it's not a guarantee that you are going to win your 11th trade. Place each trade knowing that you don't know the outcome of that trade. This is going to guide your psychology, and it's going to guide your emotion. You are going to be able to control your emotions and all that. So we all lose trade. Everybody lose trade. No matter how good you are as a trader, you are going to lose trade. So no one can say they don't lose trade. It's just unfortunate that a lot of traders don't show their losses. So you can see that I also lose trade. You can see I lose trade for sure, but the goal is to make sure that your winning trades are higher than your losing trade. This is one way you can stay profitable in the binary options market, the forex market, or whatever market it is that you are trading. So that was how I lost those trades this past a week. I lost 600. This is roughly 1,100 lost. So that was all. I hope you've learned something and you can apply the same when you have decided to trade. So on this note, I'm going to end this video here, and I will see you again next time. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.